and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a easy cheesy baked tortellini with meat sauce. So this is a quick and easy casserole recipe that the entire family will love. So if you're looking for a cheap and easy dinner recipe idea for your family, this cheesy baked tortellini casserole is the best simple weeknight meal for even picky eaters. Of course, who doesn't love tortellini? These are cute little pastas that are stuffed with cheese. Yes, please. It's even better when it's tossed in a creamy meat sauce and then it's baked with mozzarella and Parmesan cheese sprinkled over top. So let me just show you guys what it is you're going to need to make this simple and easy dinner recipe. In this recipe, you are simply just going to need the following items. You're going to need refrigerated or frozen tortellini, ground beef, 1 pound that is, 1 jar of pasta sauce, so about 14 ounces, 1 block of cream cheese, 1 bag of shredded mozzarella cheese, and of course if you have half a bag of Parmesan cheese, that is fine too. You're also going to need some seasonings to taste. I would say salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, and onion powder, garlic powder to season up your meat. You'll see that shortly. So the first thing that you want to do is take your refrigerated or frozen tortellini and boil you some water. When you let that water get to a boil, go ahead and then add in your tortellini. Let that boil for about 2 to 3 minutes and then just turn the water off and let it kind of continue to boil for a few minutes. And then in a large skillet, you're going to brown the ground beef with a little bit of garlic, salt, pepper, and then the Italian seasoning like I was just mentioning a few seconds ago. This kind of gives your meat a little bit of flavor, but also is going to make your meat taste even better in your casserole. So like I said before, this is a quick and easy meal idea that you guys could easily come home and fix right after work. It literally takes all of about 30 to 40 minutes to prep up and then just 20 minutes to bake. So what you want to do is make sure that your meat is seasoned. Even though we're going to drain it, the seasonings will still stick to the meat and give it that flavor. After we remove the excess grease from the beef and mix it with a jar of marinara or pasta sauce, that'd be great too. So with your meat, make sure that it is done. That is when I'm going to get ready to drain it. And then I'm going to get ready to add in my favorite garden pasta sauce, which is the Garden Combination Pasta Sauce by Ragu. Now, I love the tomatoes being in it. I love the green peppers and the onions in that one. So that is the one that I choose and go to on the normal. After you drain it, put it back into your pan, and then let's get ready to add in that sauce. So you're going to add in the whole entire container. Your cream cheese, you're going to cut up into blocks of 8. And what you're then going to do is add those blocks into your pasta sauce and your meat little by little. That way, until you get the consistency of the cream cheese melting, you start to see exactly what I'm talking about. When you're mixing it, it should start to mix up just like this when it has started to get some type of heat to it. Like I said, add little by little in, and then just make sure you're not burning the bottom and make sure you're not like overcooking the rest of your meal. So basically, once you've added in all of the cream cheese cubes, you should start to see the color change to be like a light red. And then you're going to go in and add the cheese tortellinis into your pan. You're going to gently just toss it and cook it in with that just until like everything is basically coated. Then you're going to take and pour it into a greased 9x13 baking dish and then top it with the shredded mozzarella and the Parmesan cheese. So with this dish, when you're pouring it in, you just want to make sure like everything is leveled out. So make sure that there's some in all the corners. Make sure that, you spread it out. evenly. This dish right here is so quick and easy to make. I was so impressed with how quick it was to make it, but as well as the fact that it was definitely something that I would make again, especially with like not having too much time in the evenings after work come the fall. So this is the part where you're gonna take half a cup of Parmesan cheese, and you're gonna like sprinkle that on top, and then you're also gonna go in with your 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. You can add as much cheese as you would like, honestly. For me, I love cheese, so I did add like a little bit of extra of both on top. What I really thought I should have did for next time is to mix up the Parmesan cheese and the mozzarella cheese, and then just like sprinkle it all at one time, because I think that no matter how you put it on there, it still was delicious. Now, what I'm going to get ready to do is bake this in the center rack of my oven on 350 degrees for 20 minutes. You can also bake it for an additional 2 to 3 minutes with the broiler on, but I never really do that. So if you want to, you can give it an extra 5 minutes, but 20 minutes I definitely think was good enough. So you don't have to cover this, you don't have to put aluminum foil on it, you don't have to do anything. You're just going to literally bake it in the center rack, 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. So the cheese is what's going to get the nice toasted flavor, which is going to make it so yummy. You really cannot mess this dish up, and I definitely love this dish served with garlic bread and Caesar salad. Either or, it is amazing. Once you put it in the oven, bake it for 20 minutes, let it cool off for about 5 minutes, serve it and enjoy it with a side salad or vegetables or your garlic bread. We didn't have that this night, so I ended up just making some toast and serving it up to the kids with that. In the summertime, I try to keep dishes to a minimal, so these 2 dishes are the only 2 ones that I have to worry about. But I hope that you all enjoyed watching this quick and easy baked tortellini. I hope that you all give it a try, and if you do, come back and let me know. But meanwhile, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below what do you think, and also to consider hitting the subscription button down below.